Hello everybody, welcome back to BareRose Garage, and everybody knows that I was going to give away a Ranchero out here at this No Name Nationals. Well, take a look over here. I got to introduce you to two guys right here. These are the sons of Stephen Holtz here, Just Drive It. And you know what? Stephen beat me. He was able to not only get his car together, but he drove it all the way here, and he run it down the track. And I'll tell you what, watching his videos, watching him and his boys working together, guys, the car's yours. What do you think of that?
Nice. You want me to know? So that means that now we've got a good excuse to come invade BareRose Garage.
That's right.
Come pick it up.
And if you got a full year to come pick it up, or I'll throw it on the trailer and we'll meet back at the No Name Nationals and I'll hand it to you there. Either way you want to work it.
I think these guys need to come put it together and drive it home.
You guys think they can get the metal hot? I think so. So, what's the words of the day?
I'll keep the metal hot.
And just drive it.
Yeah.